Good morning, everybody. Yes. Today, I will start the chapter number 10 from your grammar book. Okay, how are you? And how is your exam? I think you have given the exam result, everything is okay and it's fine. So, today we'll start, okay beta, we'll start from your grammar book. So, first present I will take, okay, let me see who are present in my class. Rishi Ghoshal, Ritom Palno, Shanaya Yashmin, Shaptarshi Chatterjee, Sharanya Datta, okay, and Sharanya Datta, Sridatri De, Sharanya Datta, no? Yes, Sridatri Datta. Then Parvez Rahman, Riyadh, Shovik Pal, Sritama Mondal, Suraya Parveen, Sritama Mondal, Suraya Parveen, Shubhecha Naik. Okay, Shubhecha Naik. Riyadh. Okay, beta. So today I will start doing words. Okay. So I think again I will tell to you what is doing words. First I will tell that doing words, another also names are there. Doing words also we are telling the action words. What we are doing. I am writing, you are playing, you are also listening to me, somebody is working, and also that you are doing the class and your mother is cooking or your father is working and so many words are there. All these action words are telling the doing words, and also another names are there that is called verb. That is called verb. So please remember, book copy you can open, book and copy both you can open. Book page number 36 and copy also please open that. So here please listen to me. So whatever we are doing, that is called doing words. I am talking, you are listening to me. Okay. I am taking your class. So I take your class. And you write, you listen. So here some things you should learn, that some singular and plural. That also, that action words or doing words, always that will be different. Okay, please from the I you know that singular. I singular and plural you have learned already. I singular, we. So, please write that I. Here if you can write in your copy, or afterwards also you can write singular and plural. Singular and plural. Please write or please listen to me. So, singular verb how we will use I. Whatever I write, I, any verb, all the rules are same. I write. I plural, we. Also, there will be no change. We write. You can be singular, you can be plural. So, here you also write. And you also write here, because you can be singular, you can be plural. So, here another thing, here first person, second person you will learn afterwards, but now only I, you, we, you please learn. So, number 3, he, she. Here these two, he writes, she writes. If I am telling he and she, also we can tell that they write. They write. Okay. So, here singular only, this he, she, only one person. Here third person we are telling. But please remember, whenever he, she, there s or yes. S here. If I am telling he goes, yes. He does, yes. Okay. So, here he writes, she writes, they write. If I am telling a girl writes, many girls write. One thing please remember, here whenever that many girls, s is there, here we are not putting s. Okay. Plural number, so please here that he writes, she writes, a girl writes. Okay. Always we are telling singular number and also third person, we should put s or es. If I am telling a girl goes to school, so goes, yes. She plays in the home, she plays. Here only one person, here no s is there, a girl writes. Please remember, there is no s here, but here s is there. But when many girls, s is there, here s is not there. So, please remember something. Okay. So, here singular and plural for the doing words, please remember all these things. Singular, always I, you, except I and you, all these singular words we are putting s or yes, s or yes. Okay. So, please remember all these things. Except I and you, all these singular number we should put s or yes, but plural number we should not put s or yes. I think you have understood. Anybody if you don't understand, please okay beta. Shubhecha, it's very good. Please remember, now those who have completed your writing, open the page number 36. But I am giving time, and also please complete, or you can write up also from that YouTube video. No problem for that. Ujan has just joined, no? উজান ঘটক। Okay, now please open that page number 36. Okay, page number 36. Page number 36, I am just writing there. There also, please, sorry, I have already rubbed. So, page number 36, first page, here for the doing words. So many doing words they have given. Fly, swim, play, croak, bark, twinkle, roar, teach. So, these are doing words. I teach, you you listen, he sings, they dance. So, here singing, dancing, writing, listening, talking, walking, all these are doing words. Please remember, whatever we are doing, these are doing words. So, here first page, this fly, swim, play, these are options. So, here from that A, number 1, there is no number, I have given the number, just you can write in your book. Dogs bark. Please write dogs plural number. So, please write bark, because bark is there here, that dogs shouting. So, you know that dogs calling, we are telling the bark. But here 3 puppies are there, 3 dogs are there. Okay. So, dogs bark. And please write that small letter. Birds fly. Stars twinkle. Fish swim. Teachers teach. Children play. Frogs croak. Lions roar. Actually, fish, you can also ask me that why ma'am fish is singular, and at the same time I can tell you the singular and plural, one and more than one. You have already learned that fish and fish, that both can be singular and plural. Okay. So, teacher are teaching now. Shakriya, teachers are teaching. Okay. So, when teacher is teaching, so whatever here teacher teach, because teachers is there and teach, we can tell that. So, here teachers teach. So, we can go to the page number 37. Please write children play. Children also child, children, plural numbers are there. Okay, please write in your book. Okay, no need to write in the copy these things. So, page number 37, here number B are there. Look at the pictures, then put the right doing words. Yes, beta, everybody, Shaptarshi, that Shegriya, everybody, that Sritam, everybody has given the answer. It's very good. I know that you are very good students. So, please write, okay. B, the number 1, the moon. Look at the moon. It's very nice, no? So, the moon shines. The moon, singular number. So, moon shines. Shakriya, please remember that moon shines. Very good, beta. Shaptarshi, very good. So, moon shines. Okay. S-H-I-N-E-S, because this is the moon is a singular number. The baby drinks. Here also baby singular number. Hey, Sheikh Parvez, please write the drinks. Moon shines at night, drinks. Obviously, Swarna has given the answer. Also, that Sri Thomas shines and drinks, because singular number, yes or yes, we should add. Then number 3, baker bakes. Baker bakes. We go to, we here plural number. So, here we go to school by bus. The cow eats grass. The cow also singular number. The lion lives. Lion lives in a den. Mother cooks. Father reads, because here is or yes we are adding, because that is singular number. The cobbler, here I am rubbing. The cobbler mends. Mends means, do you know? Mends means repair. Okay, I think you know that repair. Okay, mends. Cobbler repairs or mends shoes. The sun gives us light. Okay, beta? I think if you are having any problem, please write to me. Next day we can do the page number 38 and 39. Okay. And if you are having any problem, please write to me. If you are having any problem. So, doing words, I think you know that, and also everybody has given the answer, only we here plural, there we are putting the go, and here everywhere we should write that is singular number. Please remember, singular number we should put yes or yes verb or doing words. Whenever we are putting, we should put yes or yes, and the plural number we should add, we should not add yes or yes, because plural, that s is there. I told the girls play. Here we can remember that here girls, here s is there, here not s. So, if I am telling a girl plays, so remember here whenever s is there, here s is not there. Here whenever s is not there, here s is there. So, please remember these things. If you are having any problem, please write to me. Thank you, beta. Then have a nice day. Bye.